Hi, colleagues. My name is Erin Perkins. I am from Topeka, Kansas. My husband and I are currently raising four kids, 7-year-old twins who are a boy-girl, a 4-year-old boy, and a girl who will be one on tax day. That leaves us pretty busy between that and school schedules and taking master's classes as I'm doing currently. But I also enjoy singing in the church choir and then learning along with my kids too. Both of my boys are very much into anything animals and dinosaur and fish and shark related, and I've learned a lot more about those things than I ever thought that I would. So always learning, even being as a parent. Professionally, I've been teaching for 12 years now. 8 of those years have been in the Auburn-Washburn School District here in Topeka. All 12 of those have been in special education. I started for 4 years down in Goddard, outside of Wichita, where I worked in the general education setting, co-teaching, and also running my resource classroom. And then since I've been up here in Topeka, I've worked for a special purpose day school for middle school and high school students who have emotional behavioral disorders. So all of our kids in our school are on an IEP for some sort of emotional disability. And so not only am I teaching English curriculum and other elective curriculums, but we focus a lot on behaviors and real life skills as well. Short and long-term goals. In the next few years, I hope to see myself move on beyond this position in a position more administratively, being able to lend my expertise in consulting type work or potentially as an administrator. I'm not sure exactly what that looks like yet, but short term, I'm hoping to be able to help make some structural changes in our building here as we're seeing more of an increased need for that with students who come in very unmotivated, or just lacking a lot of structure and being able to figure out how they take accountability for their lives and where that stands right now. I'm hoping to learn just about curriculum really in general, because right now what I use curriculum wise is pulled a little here, pulled a little there. What can I do to gain my students' interest? How can I help them with their lagging skills? So we're kind of piecemeal together, even though we have resources at both middle school and high school. It's kind of up to us to make work what works best in our own classroom. So thank you, and I look forward to getting to know the rest of you as well.